Hi, in this video, you'll learn how to create and manage events in Bookly using the Events feature. This feature allows you to create events with multiple ticket types, sell tickets through a dedicated events form, and manage attendees directly from the Bookly admin panel. Let's get started. Go to Bookly, Events, and click New Event. Now let's go through the event setup fields one by one. Start by uploading an image. This image will be displayed on the event card in the events form. Next, enter the title of your event. If needed, select Organizers. These are staff members responsible for the event. This field is optional. Support staff is your employee who assists with the event. Their availability will be blocked in the calendar for the duration of the event. Set the date and time of the event, and if needed, specify when ticket sales will end. Once reached, all tickets for the event will be marked as sold out. Choose a color. This color is used to display the event in the Bookly backend calendar. If you assign tags, they help you easily identify and distinguish events in the list. In the info field, add a description of your event. This text appears on the event card and can also be included in notifications using the Event Info placeholder. Next, define the ticket mask. This is a template used to generate ticket numbers. The published status means the event is visible to customers. The hidden status is useful for drafts or events that are not ready yet. A notification about a new event is sent to recipients if the notification about new event type is enabled in the email or SMS notification settings. Once the event is created, click the Tickets button to create ticket types for your event. Click Add Ticket. Enter the ticket title, set the quantity available and ticket price. You can optionally define a reserved amount. These tickets won't be available for purchase through the front-end events form, but you can assign them manually to staff or special guests from the back-end. Repeat these steps if you need to create multiple ticket types. To customize how your events look on the front end, go to Appearance, Events Form, and click Add New Form. Here, you can adjust the design, titles, text, colors, and other options, just like when configuring modern booking forms in Bookly. Switch between tabs, click on any editable area, and update the template preview on the right. When you're done, click Save, and then Back. Each form has its own unique shortcode. Use the menu button to copy, clone, or delete the form. Go to Pages or Posts and paste the shortcode into the page where you want to display your events form. Once published, customers will be able to view events and purchase tickets directly from your website. Bookly provides several notification types specifically for events, including notification about new event, notification about new ticket, notification about ticket deletion. You can customize notifications using placeholders or enable one of the predefined templates. To manage attendees, go to Bookly Events and click the Attendees button next to an event. Here, you can view all tickets and attendees. Use filters to search by order number or ticket type. Click the checkmark icon to view payment details. If a payment is pending, for example, when using a local payment method, you can manually confirm it by clicking Complete Payment. You can also track ticket availability using the progress bar, which shows total, sold, reserved, and on-hold tickets for each ticket type. Events appear in the Bookly calendar just like regular bookings. They are displayed for both the assigned staff members and the event organizers. Click on an event in the calendar to view the list of attendees and their ticket details. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like it, subscribe to our channel, and check the links in the description for more information about Bookly. Have something to share? Let us know in the comments below. See you soon!